First, I use Capcut for reverse and other effects. This is the clip I'm gonna use. If you want the link, ask me on the comment section. I just video record this to get it, so 3 excess clip the I don't need, and need to be deleted. Make sure that your format is 9:16. I just split at the time that Rose opened her eyes. Then I'm gonna add studio I will use. Don't forget to mute clip audio. Then I'm gonna adjust the speed to 0.2x. I'm gonna split big part off clip and adjust the speed to fast until the clip went to 0.1 second. Now delete the audio, then export the project. Go back to the project and click undo to bring studio back. Now add the video we exported earlier, then reverse it. Add fade out animation at the end of this project. Now let's do the glowing eyes. Click at effects, then body effect. Choose eye reflection, adjust its intensity, range and color to your desire. Split the effect before the eyes close. Export it, then now let's proceed on Funimate. But first go to gallery and screenshot part you want to mask on Funimate. Go to Funimate, then add the video edit on Capcut. Now add the photo we screenshot earlier. Scale 200 to make it fit on the screen. Drag the clip on the part that Rose gonna open her eyes. Adjust the duration to 2.5 seconds. Now go to mask, and let's start to do masking edit. Just paint the part you want to be left. Click arrow and check if you're done. Go to keyframe and transform to do the remove face effect. Click rotation, then add 2 keyframe like this, then adjust the rotation while the 2 end keyframe is red. Then add this graph for smoother movement. Now click position, then add keyframe, same spot of where the keyframe added on rotation. Adjust like this, while the second keyframe is red, then add the graph like mine. If you're not satisfied, you can adjust them. Just make sure that you're adjusting while each second keyframe is red. Go to 004 timeline, then tap this 10 times and add keyframe. Then tap it again 9 times and add another keyframe. Click rotation, then add keyframe accordito the position's keyframe. While the last keyframe is red, adjust the rotation to. Then adjust the position until it brings the face back to its position. Add graph, then adjust motion blur to 100. We're done. You can now save it and upload it on your YouTube or TikTok. Thank you for watching. JoJoの奇妙